Thampai is the third largest town in Mizoram, northeast India, and is one of the oldest settlements founded by the Mizo people that initially served as a capital for the Mar dynasty. Located near the India-Myanmar border, facilitates cross-border trade. It serves as a hub for trade and commerce in the region. Unlike most urban places in Mizoram, Thampai is situated in a valley and on top of a small hill. It is situated at an elevation of approximately 1,778 meters, 505 feet above sea level. It had an estimated population of 44,000 in 2023.